Hello dear students, I hope you all are doing fantastic and super duper at home. Let's begin a new lesson today. As we left before, we were completing the tenses. So today's topic is past perfect tense. Yes, today's topic is past perfect tense. In this tense, the question came in my mind, why do we use this? Why do we need to use this tense? हमें क्यों ज़रूरत पड़ती है इस टेंस को यूज़ करने की? Whenever we talk about the action, those who completed in the past, जो actions हमारे माजी में complete हुए थे, जिनका result माजी में आ गया था, उनको बयान करने के लिए हम past perfect tense इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Normally we talk about the definition is it is used to tell about the past in the past. जो हमारे माजी को बयान किया, that is called past perfect tense. So what is the structure of past perfect tense and how can we form this sentence? Let's begin. As the first sentence, we start with the affirmative sentence. The affirmative formula starts with the subject, then head. The head is the helping verb, auxiliary verb of past perfect tense. Remember, head जो है वो हमारा past perfect tense का helping verb होता है. Without it, we cannot complete this sentence. हम इस sentence को past perfect मुकम्मल नहीं कर सकते. Right after the head, we need to use the third form. The third form is the past participle form. Okay, as we discussed, past participle form, the third form like gone, eaten, spoken, written, said. All of these verbs and the other verbs are called the past participle form, the third form of verb. And right after the verb, you need to use the subject or complement what we need and require there. The first sentence we have, that is, I had come in time. I had come in time. What is the meaning? What meaning do we get from this tense? इस tense से हम क्या meaning हासिल करते हैं? How can we identify in our native language? हम अपने native language में से किस तरीके से identify कर सकते हैं? So, past perfect tense एक उर्दू की identification ये होती है कि ये हमारे पास माजी के sense के अंदर दो ऐसे अल्फाज के साथ इस्तेमाल किया जाता है जिससे हम इसको easily पहचान कर लेते हैं. नंबर एक, चुका चुकी चुके, एंड नंबर दो, लिया लीही लिए. यानी कि मैं खाना खा चुका था, मैं लेटर भेज चुका था, मैं यहाँ पहुँच चुका था, या मैंने खाना खा लिया था, मैंने इन्फॉर्म कर दिया था. All of these things and all of these sentences are called past perfect tense. Okay? So I had come in time. In time or on time? What do you say? In time or on time? What is correct? Yes, I cannot hear you. But remember, both are correct. Both are correct. In time and on time. What is in time and what is on time? In time means when you are before the exact time. For example, they called me here at 8 o'clock. And by 8 o'clock, before 8 o'clock, I am present here. It means I am in time. Okay? On time means exact time. They call me at 8 o'clock and I apparently present here at sharp 8 o'clock. Okay? So, in time, before the time, and on time, exact time. Remember. So, I had come in time. मैं time से पहले आ गया था. या मैं time से पहले आ चुका था. Clear? The second sentence is, he had performed salah. Alright? The salah is we call namaz. Okay? That is, so he had performed salah. वो नमाज अदा कर चुका था. वो नमाज पढ़ चुका था. After the had, we use the third form of verb, means past participle form of verb. Alright? This is the affirmative sentence. Let's go towards its negative sentence. Negative sentence. Subject plus had plus not plus third form of verb plus object. Had not. As we know, to form any sentence into negative, we need to add not with the helping word. Helping word के साथ हम not का इजाफा कर देते हैं. Automatically, that sentence converts into negative. वो sentence हमारा negative में तब्दील हो जाता है. So, यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया? As same, with the helping verbs, we added had not. हमारे पास हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैड था, हमने इसके साथ नॉट ऐड कर दिया. नाउ इट इज़ द सेंटेंस नेचर इज नेगेटिव. आई हैड नॉट रिटन अ लेटर, मैं लेटर नहीं लिख चुका था. द वेरी इजी सब्जेक्ट, हेल्पिंग वर्ब, नॉट, द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट इज हियर. ओके, then the next sentence is she had not informed others. Put s, others. Yes, she had not informed others. उसने दूसरों को इन्फॉर्म नहीं किया था या वो दूसरों को इन्फॉर्म नहीं कर चुकी थी. Understand? This is the past perfect tense negative sentence. Are you getting this? Okay, let's come towards its confirmative. As we know, to form the interrogative sentence को जब हम form करते हैं, so we have two other different kinds of interrogative sentence. The first is confirmative and the second is informative. So हम confirmative तरफ चलते हैं, तस्दीक या yes or no sentence और question की तरफ चलते हैं. ठीक है? Had he, as we to form this sentence, इसको form करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, helping verb को subject की जगह पे और subject को helping verb की जगह पे हम ले जाते हैं. To form it in the easiest way as we do it, इया का उआ और उआ का इया. Okay, so had, we have taken the had and subject instead of had plus subject plus third form of verb and object or EP or complement as requires the sentence. So had he come in time, क्या वो वक्त पर आ चुका था? Yes, yes he had. No, he had not. Okay, the next sentence is, the second sentence is, had you sent the parcel? Had you sent the parcel? Had you sent? I gifted you the parcel. Had you sent that? No? Okay. क्या आपने वो पार्सल भेज दिया था? क्या वो पार्सल आप भेज चुके थे? That is called. So when we confirm something, the action took place in the past. जब हम उसकी confirmation के लिए करेंगे तो हम वो sentence इस्तेमाल करते हैं. That is called confirmative sentence. Okay. Now come towards it's the last interrogative, informative sentence. Interrogative का informative तरफ चलते हैं हम. As we know, we make and we form this sentence with the help of WH words. WH words: who, what, which, why, when, where, whose, whom, how. All of these WH words forms construct a question that requires and asks the information as same. So WH words plus had plus third form of verb plus object. Okay. Now the first question is, who had reached there? Who had reached there? वहाँ कौन पहुँच चुका था? That is called past perfect tense. And the next question is, what had she said? What had she said? WH words, helping verb, verb, and object or complement as the sentence requires. Okay, so here it is completed. What had she said? उसने वो क्या कह चुकी थी? That is called. And by that, for the additional information, I would like to tell you one more thing here. That is called the combination of this tense. This tense is combined with especially past indefinite or past simple tense. Past perfect tense हमारा जो है वो past indefinite के साथ हम इसको plus कर देते हैं, तो normally हम अपनी normal conversation के अंदर इसका इस्तेमाल ज़्यादा करते हैं. मिसाल के तौर पे कि लाइट जाने से पहले हमने कपड़े इस्त्री कर लिए थे. क्या तुमने कपड़े इस्त्री कर लिए थे लाइट जाने से पहले? ऑलराइट. क्या मेहमान आने से पहले आपने सामान मंगवा लिया था? ओके. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज सेंटेंस एंड अदर सेंटेंस दैट टेल्स अस कि वो काम क्या आपने पहले कर लिया था विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ पास्ट सिंपल टेंस एंड पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. सो पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस plus past simple tense or indefinite tense. For example, I would like to make a sentence here. I had ironed my dress before the light went. लाइट जाने से पहले मैं अपने कपड़े इस्त्री कर चुका था. I had sent an email before my boss asked. मेरे बॉस के पूछने से पहले, उनकी मांगने से पहले मैं ईमेल सेंड कर चुका था. I had reached at your doorstep before you call me, आपके बुलाने से पहले ही मैं आपके घर के दरवाजे पर मौजूद था. It's all about the past perfect tense, but the last is remaining. Contraction. When we contract, what do we contract? Subject plus or helping verb. So what do we form? Like we get an example of I plus had is equals to, what is this? What do we pronounce this? I'd. Okay, that is called. So I had is equals to I'd, and remember I would is equals to I'd. The both contractions are same. I had and I would contractions are same, that is I'd. How can we recognize? How can we identify? Just for a piece of information I'm telling now here, but all of these sentences and all of this topic of contractions you can get it in my another video. Okay, so I had, I would, I'd. How can you identify? After, if the third form or any noun or adjective right after the I'd, that is I had. अगर आइड के बाद आपको कोई थर्ड फॉर्म मिले या आइड के बाद आपको कोई नाउन या एडजेक्टिव मिलता है तो वो हमारे पास आई हैड है, याद रखिएगा. ओके, एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स अगर आइड के बाद आपको कोई फर्स्ट फॉर्म मिलती है, वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आप देखते हैं या लिखी होती है, दैट मीन्स आई वुड. आई होप यू हैव गॉट दिस लेसन. गिव अस द फीडबैक and keep on watching our video. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with me. Bye bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is pain.